Hi.
Hi.
Say สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
and 你好
นี่ฮาว
Can you ask me? Are you gonna come to see me to stay with me?
Yes, they ask me.
Yeah, she's gonna come to stay with you. What about me?
Yeah,
I'm gonna go and then you're gonna stay with her, okay?
don't leave me.
I will come back to see you, baby. I'm not gonna leave you, okay?
Okay.
You know, you're a good girl. I will come back to see you. But you know what? When Sophia come, you have to be a good girl, okay?
Why?
Because she will be happy to stay with you if you are a good girl
Please
and
don't
good
leave
boy.
me.
I'm not gonna leave you. I will come back to see you. I promise.
Hi.
Are you gonna be happy if I come back to see you, Calvin?
Hey, I wanna show her one of my tricks.
What is a trick?
Do a video. Do a video.
I'm doing video now.
Okay. Hi, I'm Calvin. You wanna see some of my tricks? Look.
Whoa! That scared me.
No hands.
Yeah, no hand and feet off. Uh-oh. Yeah, no hand.
No feet.
And whoa, that scared me. Whoa, look at it. Wait.
Look.
Are you gonna say hi, Baba? Mama.
Jane, move.
Yes, ma'am. Why you want me to move? What to do?
Jane. Woo! Woo!
You know what, Calvin?
Okay,
Yes, I know. But you know what? If you break Daddy car, it's gonna be a big trouble. That's cool stuff that you did. Hey, I just see your hair. When did you cut your mohawk off?
Today.
This morning?
Yes.
Oh man.
Daddy don't want me to do my mocha.
You don't have to do mohawk. You are pretty good. You look at your hair. You have a silky hair, black silky hair. That's so pretty.
I don't want to do mocha.
You don't have to.
And you're happy. You're gonna be happy to have me.
Yeah. If you're not bossy her.
Then you need to do mocha.
If you listen
then you
her.
need to do mocha.
I don't want to. I have a long hair and I don't want to do mohawk.
I don't want. Mohawks are bald.
Yeah, mohawk is just good for boys.
I don't want to mocha.
Yeah, we don't want to.
Not good.
Okay, Margot.
Not too good.
Margot, let's talk. Margot,
Yes, please.
listen to me. I want you to show me where the left hand. Left. Here we go. Where's right? Yeah, that's right. Perfect. What you gonna do when the left right turn? What we gonna do when the red?
Orange.
No. What is red?
Green.
What we can do when we green? When it turn green? We-
Sign.
We can go.
Yeah.
What about when it red?
Red.
We have to.
We have to.
We have to stop.
Yeah. What happened?
I will clip it off for you. Don't break. Don't pick it up. Don't pick it up, please. Let's see. Oh no. No, don't pick it up, okay?
You have a new tooth.
No, please.
And Ingrid has a
Margot.
tooth. She's only 9 months old.
She has.
She can talk some too.
Yeah.
Ingrid, mama, 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 mommy, I mean, mama, mama. Say mama. Say dada. Say mama, dada, dada,
Yes, you have to put your shoes on, okay?
Num 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 num.
Because
Uncle Num 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 num.
yeah, now me and Scarlett gonna come soon. I don't know what time is it.
Give Naomi Scarlett.
Yeah, we guess Naomi and Scarlett, and then we drop Naomi at her homes, and then we go straight to the barn. Okay.
Forget about that. Video Margot! No! Well, I eat the snack. Please.
But if you want a snack, you know what?
What?
I'm afraid it's gonna make your dad car a mess or dirty. Can you please wait until we get to the barn? That's good.
No.
You don't want to?
Yeah. Hungry.
Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
Do you want some cheese?
Yeah.
I have a cheese stick for you.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, what? I can't hear you.
Get some cheese. No.
Please. Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay. Oh. That's okay.
Yep.
That's okay. Hi, baby. Hi, peekaboo. Hi, boo, boo, boo. Margaret, stop. Ingrid.
Touchy.
Hi. Can you do bye-bye? Hi. Hi. Ingrid say hi. Do you see? I taught her.
You did?
Yeah, Ingrid say hi. Can you do that again, baby? Hi. Hi, Ingrid. Hi, Ingrid.
Jane,
Yes, ma'am. Oh, look at. That's okay. Don't pick it. Don't pick it.
Ow.
Listen, Calvin.
Woo.
she's like it.